The man charged with killing a healthcare company CEO in New York City is back in court today. Luigi Mangione's defense team will be asking the key evidence against him not be admitted at trial. Here's ABC's Allison Cossack with more.
This morning, Luigi Mangione heads back to court for a hearing that could decide what evidence will be allowed at his trial and what evidence may be suppressed.
This hearing could be like a mini trial, getting a preview of what is likely going to be argued not only in a state court, but potentially in a federal court where Luigi Mangione faces the death penalty.
27-year-old Mangione has pleaded not guilty to murdering United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson on this New York City street nearly a year ago. His attorneys want a judge to throw out a laundry list of evidence, including statements he made to police after his arrest at this McDonald's in Pennsylvania. His attorneys claim Mangione was not read his Miranda rights until 17 minutes after police started questioning him. His lawyers also claim the search of a backpack seized during his arrest was illegal, conducted without a warrant. Inside the bag, officials say they found a 3D printed gun and silencer, electronics, and a red notebook in which prosecutors allege Mangione wrote what amounted to a confession. They say one entry read, "I finally feel confident about what I will do. The target is insurance. It checks every box."
If the defense wins just one argument, for example, the contents of his bag was illegally searched, then you don't get a diary, you don't get a 3D printed gun. If you can't present that to a jury, what kind of case do you have then?
The defense also asking a judge to limit how some of the evidence will even be discussed, including whether the notebook can be called a manifesto. Mangione's attorneys already winning one request. A judge is allowing him to wear civilian clothes in court. Depending on the number of witnesses, this pretrial evidence suppression hearing could last up to 7 days. Allison Cossack, ABC News, New York.
Well, coming up at 6:40, ABC's Aaron Katursky will join us with more on what to expect in court and how today's hearing could shape his case.